Hi there! I think I haven't introduced myself so far. So, my name is Mark, I'm a graphic designer, artist and content creator, fallen in love in 80s, retro, synthwave and cyberpunk. In this video, I'll show you how I created this occasional artwork to celebrate reaching 500 followers on my Instagram. If you're new on this channel, please smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my new videos. I'm doing some cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Okay, let's get to this. I'll explain step by step in Photoshop how I achieved this final result. So first of all, I took this picture of arcade machine from FreePic. No worries, I'll put all links to images in the description down below. I did gradient for a background using these colors. I've put two palm trees from Envato Elements. I used hue and saturation layer to adjust colors, also a little bit of black on the top of the leaves. I used hue and saturation layer again for a separated photo of arcade machine. I had to cover every surface of it with my branding to make it more personal. After that I used color lookup layer, gradient map. About those extra oriental letters on the top, it means thanks in Japanese. All fonts also in the description. CRT screen, because I wasn't happy with that original white hole over here. Also I added retro screen texture to make it more old school and convincing. For words 500 followers I used font Arcade. After that, as you can see, glowy buttons, reflections, a little bit of using brush from my previous video, and finally cherry on the top, camera raw filter to adjust colors, highlights, shadows and other stuff. And a little bit of levels. That's it, awesome. And that's the final piece. And if you watched this video till now, thank you very much, and I have a present for you. PSD file with this project including all layers that you've seen in this material. Again, link in the description down below. Thank you very much for watching, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done this already, hit the like and leave a comment. I appreciate you, your feedback and all questions. Have a good night.